Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorials how to open Enscape plugins. First, you need to download the Enscape plugin based on your Sketchup version. You can go to enscape3d.com/Sketchup renderings and in here you can download the Enscape plugins to Sketchup. After you install into your computer, to open you can go to extension menu and then click on Enscape and click Start Enscape to starting Enscape in your Sketchup. So we're waiting to open Enscape application that connected into this Sketchup software. And then you can see this is for the Enscape environment, and we have this simple object as default from Sketchup. Okay, that's it for basic Sketchup tutorials how to open Enscape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.